हेलो फ्रेंड्स, क्या आप भी परेशान हैं चार्ज के बारे में? इतने सारे पॉइंट्स रिवाइज करने में, लर्न करने में. सो व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम? लेट्स गो फॉर अ न्यूमोनिक. एंड द न्यूमोनिक इज इटसेल्फ चार्ज. दिस इज द इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट. Charge. C stands for conserved in an isolated system. Now, the SI unit of charge is also coulomb. Yes, it's coulomb. And किसी के भी मार्क्स नहीं कटने चाहिए coulomb के लिए, because C coulomb, C charge, H charge always has mass. मास नहीं तो चार्ज नहीं, दोनों एक दूसरे के बिना नहीं जी सकते. But note my point. चार्ज अगर है तो मास जरूर होगा, बट अगर मास है तो जरूरी नहीं कि चार्ज भी होगा. वन साइड रिलेशनशिप. ए इज अट्रैक्शन. Attraction is always between opposite charges. R is repulsion. Repulsion is always between same charges. G stands for nothing, but we have something for E. E is electron charge. That is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. And we have two more units of charge, that is ESU and EMU. 3 into 10 raised to power 9 ESU, 1 coulomb. 1 by 10 EMU, 1 coulomb. Hope you understand everything about charge. There's one additional point that is charge is invariant. That is not much required for every level of class. So these are the main points that you need to understand, and I hope this mnemonic will help you a lot. So keep watching, like, share and subscribe.